wants to see? Who wants to see what the average, like, living alone guy, his fridge is gonna look like? Yep, we got the juice, we got fucking chili sauce, and Coke. We're fucking chilling, bro. I'm set for life, honestly. I am fucking set for life, I swear to God. Alright, but, okay. So anyways, I moved into a new apartment and called it my apartment. My boyfriend got angry at me and said, Dantes said it's a red flag. Can you stop this? Nope. Your boyfriend is 100% right. When you're in a relationship with someone, you will always use, like, terminology that implies the two of you together. We, us, our. The second you start saying me, my, I, you've lost interest and you're already mentally disconnecting from the fact of you with that other person, and you're going to break up with them soon. Your boyfriend is 100% right. And Cap, there is some welcome. Thank you.